Hello, City of Tallinn. I'm Manu Marttinen from your neighbor, Finland, and I'm going to present you some cases from City of Espoo and City of Turku from Finland. So we're going to walk through that how they have been implement the process and use of Infrakit in their cities when they are handling their infra as an infra owner. So let's start. So if you consider the life cycle of information management of your infra, so you start from the left, you get the infra owner who is responsible of design management. Then you get the designer, the consult, and then you get again the infra owner, and then from a design management and from construction management, and then you get the contractor, and then again infra owner, construction management, and then infra owner, maintenance management. So this is how the information flow goes through the whole life cycle of infra. So there are people from infra owner and people who are doing work to infra owners. As we know, the information flow in construction project goes from left to right, but then the very important question that you have to ask from yourself is that what information do I need when I do my daily work? And when you know that, you can set the demand from information, and the demand for information goes opposite ways than the information flow. We're going to walk through one example from City of Turku, that what they have invented. So from maintenance, from the end part of the change now, the demand, for example, that they have identified some need. For example, all the pipes underneath of the street, that hey, they need the information related to those. They said that at the beginning, when the infra owner of design management starts to do his or her work, they know that hey, we need this information related to this underneath of the street equipment, for example, pipes. And when they're gonna do the steering of design, they set up all the needed demands from maintenance. They set up those when they are making their procurement documentation, when they are making the procurement of the consultant, the design work. Some part of these are in Finnish, but these are related to Finnish technical agreement issues. But they are making the agreement how to do the design right now, and they steer that with the needed information from maintenance. And then they make the control that when the design consultant is doing his or her work, they are using Infrakit. For example, in when they got meetings with designers. So they are ensuring with Infrakit once in a month or whatever, that do they get everything what they need. So they are validating it during the design, and they are validating that when the design period is over, when is the handover. Here is one example from City of Espoo as well. So as you can see that from Infrakit, it's easy to check both the cross sections from models and the cross section from PDF, so you can easily compare it with when you are using Infrakit. And then when the handover from design management is done to construction management, that is very important. They are working together. They ensure together that all the needed documentation are used when they are steering the contractor work. And that's also a procurement issue, that they do the procurement correctly. And when the contractor is doing the work, so they are using all the procurement agreements and the control is done by infra owner, also using Infrakit. And as you can see here is example from Kirstinpuisto, Turku. You can see all the photos taken by contractor and all the as-built points taken by contractor can easily be shown on a map with Infrakit. And I can show you some cases from city of Espoo, from Niittykumpu, that they have been using for every site meetings. Here are the dates of the site meetings. So they have been using these save views in Infrakit, where they can set some issues that they want to talk in these meetings together. So for example, here are these one measurement guys, measurement from asphalt layer. And for example, here you can see some measurements related about the lowest combinations and the piling work. And here are for every meetings, there are saved views that is easy to discuss about these issues. And what they are also using is that they got to every meeting, they got a different ortho photo that they have been taking like a once in a month. So it's easy to see that how the construction work is progressing like this. So when they have make the handover, finally handover to infra owner, the construction management, and then they are making the handover to maintenance management, they are ensuring that all the feedback from maintenance management is coming back to design management and the construction management, that did they do their work correctly. So then they are all the time developing each other's and the way of working in either in city of Turku or in city of Espoo. So basically, here is the whole process that we have been developed with city of Turku. So in Infrakit services, we are doing both. We are giving educations and advices how to handle technical issues related to Infrakit platform, but as well we are working with our customers when we are developing these kind of processes to ensure that the process and technology and the people are all working together. So with Infrakit, you know what is happening on your worksite real time, and you save money and you can get intelligent project data for your use now and in the future to all of your devices. Thank you for your interest. Please contact to Ingmar or me if you got something on your mind and you want to talk with these issues later. Thank you.